Prashant sir, your physical education teacher. Today's our topic is cricket. So we have Praveen sir with us. He is a professional cricket coach. So he will teach us basics cricket skill. So let's start.
We'll start with neck up and down. Okay, slowly up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then left and right. 1, 2, 3. Go slowly. 4, 5. Then half semicircle downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Single hand rotation. Keep your both one hand here for support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hand change. Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, change. Now shoulder up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Now hold your left hand. Okay, hold your left wrist like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The downside, same hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. So keep the distance between two legs sideways. Okay, take a left hand on the right side. Take a right hand on the left side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, change. Now side bend. Both the side. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, relax. Now change. Now both hand alternate toe touch. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, change. Now what you have to do? Just hold your left knee up like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. The right leg. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Now hold your left ankle like this. Okay, from behind. 1, 2 and stretch on the front side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Now right leg. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. Now change. Now stretch your leg. Okay, now what you have to do? Stretch your leg. What you have to do? Bend your left leg. Keep your right leg straight. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same position but on your toes like this. Okay, keep your body straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Now bend your right leg. Keep your left leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, same position but on your toes. Keep your body straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Relax. First we are going to learn how to hold the bat. Usually I have seen so many students, they directly hold the bat and they just start to play. Okay, but this is not a way. If you want to play a professional cricket, okay, you have to learn how to hold the bat first. What you have to do? You have to just keep the bat down. Okay, you have to keep the bat down. Just stand in front of the bat. Okay, just stand everyone for front of the bat. Okay, at one step, okay, at one attempt, you have to hold the bat directly up. Suppose this is I am lefty. Okay, so how will hold? See, at one attempt. Okay, in one attempt I have to hold the bat. Again I put it down. Okay, just stand in front of the bat. Again, one attempt. Okay, don't do like this. Okay, first with one hand, then second hand. This is wrong. Okay, with one attempt you have to hold. Okay, like this. See, this is the holding positions of bat. Okay, everyone. Same with the right hand also. Same with the right hand also. Okay, suppose you're righty. Okay, same. Keep your bat in front of you. Okay, don't keep it like this. Okay, this is wrong. Just keep your handle in front of you. Okay, same as it is. You have to stand front of the bat. Again, at one attempt, you have to hold the bat. See, at one attempt. See, this way. Again, keep it down. Again, up. So, at least 10 times you have to do like this. Okay, keep it down. Stand straight. Go down. And at one attempt, you have to hold. Okay, same for righty and same for lefty also. Okay, so this way you have to hold the bat. So now we have finished batting, how to hold the bat. Now we'll do the how to take the batting stance. This is very important. We cannot come directly and play. Okay, there are some steps are there. You have to take the batting stance. So we are going to learn batting stance. For batting stance, what you have to do? Suppose there are the 3 stumps. Okay, suppose if I am lefty, what I have to do? I will stand in the front of leg stump. This is leg stump, this is middle stump, this is off stump for lefty batsman. Suppose if I am righty, so this stump will be leg stump, this stump will be the middle, same as it is, and this stump will be off stump. Okay, so suppose if I am lefty, so what I have to do? Just stand in front of the leg stump. Okay, keep the distance between normal distance of the leg. Okay, just make sure your leg should be on your front of the shoulder. Okay, the normal position. How you learn how to hold the bat? You have to hold as it is. Hold the bat. Okay, keep your both leg parallel. Okay, straight. Okay, tap your bat down. Okay, see, keep your knees little bit flexible. Okay, don't keep your knees straight. Okay, keep your knees flexible little bit. Okay, tap your bat down. Okay, and your shoulder should be, your knee should be on your front of the shoulder. See, you don't lie down your shoulder. Okay, your neck, don't keep your knee head down like this. Okay, your head should be front of your shoulder like this. Okay, tap your bat and look straight. Tap your bat, look straight. Tap your bat, look straight. Okay, this is your batting stance. This is from left side. Now I'll show you from your right side. Okay, suppose you're a righty batsman. Same as it is for righty batsman. What you have to do? Just stand in front of the leg stump. Okay, same. Keep your both legs parallel. Okay, again take the stance. Just check. Okay, just check everyone like this. Your body should be on your parallel distance. Okay, tap the bat and look straight. Tap the bat, look straight. Tap the bat, look straight. This is your batting stance. Okay, then you can play the, according to your ball line, you can play the shot. Okay, this way you have to complete your batting stance. Okay, now we have completed batting, how to hold a bat, and we have completed batting stance. Now we are going to how to hold the ball. Okay, how to hold the ball, because this is also very important. Suppose if we are bowler, so you should know how to hold the ball and how to bowl the ball to the batsman. Okay, someone directly they hold like this and they bowl. No, this is not a way. What you have to do, suppose I am a lefty bowler. Okay, what you have to do, just keep your both finger out. Okay, like this. Keep your thumb here. Okay, hold your bat, hold your ball here. Okay, like this. Keep the distance, normal distance on your 2 fingers. Okay, keep your thumb here, your distance. Okay, keep your normal distance from your hand here. Don't hold tightly. Okay, don't hold tightly, because if you hold tightly, you cannot, ball will not release. Okay, if you're doing action, if you hold tightly your ball will not release. So hold normal in the normal release position. Okay, so at least ball can easily come out. So you have to hold like this. Keep your thumb here proper. Keep the normal distance from your ball to your hand. Okay, keep your both finger here straight. Your distance should be normal distance. Your gap should be here in the ball, in the 2 fingers. Okay, and you have to hold the ball like this. Okay, same. Suppose this is a lefty bowler, and same as it is for the righty. Suppose you are a fast bowler, same action for the righty bowler. Okay, this way you have to hold the ball always. See, and these 2 fingers for the normal support. See, can you see these 2 fingers? There is the just support of this bowler. Always you have to hold the ball like this, and you have to action the ball like this. Okay. Now we are going to learn bowling actions. Now you have learned how to hold the ball, but second step is how to bowl the ball to front of the batsman. Now we are going to learn bowling action. Suppose I am a lefty bowler, so what I will do, I'll just hold my ball, I'll target myself, I'll set my mind to the batsman. Okay, suppose I'm a bowler, what I have to do? Just stand straight, whichever your action is there. Okay, I'll action my full body like this. This is the bowling action. Again, come back, stand straight, just load your hand. This is your loading hand. Okay, and this is your targeting hand. Okay, suppose you are righty, so this is your loading hand, and left hand will be your targeting hand. So suppose I'm a lefty bowler, I'm loading my hand, I'll take my hands up, one leg up on the right leg. Okay, I'll target my hand with the right hand. Okay, I'll target, I'll just release my hand on the target. Okay, and I'll try to release the ball on the target point. Okay, so this way you have to do the bowling action. See, like this. 1. Okay, then again go back, again stand straight, set your mind where you have to bowl the ball. Okay, again hold the ball properly. Okay, again you load your hand action and target action and release the ball. Okay, so this way you have to do the bowling action, but don't release the ball at home. Okay, because you're practicing at home. So what you have to do? You have to do just only action practice. Okay, to just use your arm. Okay, so this way you have to do like this. 1. Okay, again 1. Again go back, stand straight, again 2. So this way you have to do bowling action. So now I am giving you one challenge, okay, with the bat and with the ball. What you have to do? 10 times, at least 10 times you have to balance the ball with the tapping. What you have to do? You have to just hold one bat in one hand and hold the ball with another hand, and you have to just try to hold like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just make sure don't hit hard. Okay, if you hit hard, ball will go so up. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to the normal distance. You have to just normal force. You have to just tap the ball like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just make sure your ball, your eyes will be on the ball. Your eyes will be on the ball. So just see the ball and tap properly. See, balance the ball and tap the ball. Balance the bat and tap the ball like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This way you have to do challenge.
Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the basic skills of cricket. I thanks Praveen sir to give his precious time, and you will practice the skills what Praveen sir has teach you. You will practice at home. So stay home, stay fit. Thank you.